can you fit the new LED lights to an older Ford Ranger which had the regular lights like this? Since the back of the bumper bar is different in the new ones that sport the LED lights compared to the older lights. Can you do it? Let's have a look at the old bumper bar first. This is the same side light, the driver's side light, with a different bumper bar back where the light bolts into. Now, can we fit the LED light, the new one, in place of the old one? Let's undo the old light in the older model and see if we can retrofit it. Okay, now we've got the lights removed. Let's see how the new one fits in that place. And bearing in mind, the other one in the new model's got a notch for the adjuster. That fits fine. So yes, you can do it. On the other side, I've had to cut a small notch to do it. On this side, it just fits. This is a passenger side fitted with a new light, and because of the adjuster, I had to cut out a small notch just here in the bumper bar, like that, for the clearance. All it is a piece that size that I've cut out with tin snips. And this is how the new lights look from the front, fitted to your older Ford Ranger. So there you go. And here are the new and the old lights side by side. Thanks for watching.